Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Esther Mofri. Welcome to episode 3 of our topic about network marketing. I have done 2 videos already talking about network marketing, reasons why it does not work for everyone. The other one I shared about tips how to succeed. If you have not watched those videos, I will link them down below, and even up here I will link them. You can click them, go and watch them. And today I want to share with you episode 3 on how to recruit new prospects in your business. And this video is the easiest one that I want to do. I want to do it so fast, and yeah, I hope you understand. Everyone who is in a business wants to know, how do I get prospects? And this is number one question that everyone asks me on Facebook, here on YouTube. How do we get prospects? And that's why I'm sharing this video. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. I share very informative content, business related, all those good stuff. Like this video and comment down below. Let me know, how do you do it? How do you get new prospects in your business? So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So guys, network marketing is one of the best business that you can get involved at any time. It does not require certain criteria, education or something. As long as you understand the business, you're good to go. And to my understanding, and with this lockdown, everyone wants to know, how do you join networking? And the people, when I try to prospect myself, the people that we have the conversation with, the number one question they ask me is, yes, I'm interested with your business, I will join. How do I get new prospects? And that's why I decided to do this video for them and for anyone else who have already joined, because people want to join network marketing, but they fear the failure of not even having prospects or recruiting or getting the team they are required to. And this is one of the questions that I get so many times. How do you get these prospects? And I said, let me share. So number one thing that you need to understand from today, this is number one thing that you need to understand. Let me take my pen. You need to recruit yourself first in every business that you are trying to do. If you have been involved in a product business, if it's an online business that is using an MLM, it's a networking, you need to look for people first. Recruit yourself. There is no way you can go to pitch a business to someone and you have not understood it fully. You have not you don't have faith in that business, and you don't understand how the business does. It won't work. So if I say recruit, what do I mean? When I say recruit, I mean, yes, you have joined the business, but you need to take extra time to teach yourself what the business is all about, to teach yourself which products are the best, to teach yourself so many things that goes on in the business, so that when someone ask you something, you're able to answer. So many people come to me, they have joined networks, and I try to ask questions, they say they don't know. I try to ask them about Zoom meetings. Do you attend Zoom meetings? They don't know. What's the PDF, the latest PDF for this business? I don't have. Let me ask my upline. If you don't have the information, and this is why you recruit yourself first, you understand everything, you're good to go. Even if you're told to stand in front of like 100 people, you can be able to give a training, a presentation, you're good to go. So if you're watching this and you have joined any network today, yesterday, or last month, the first thing that you need to do is recruit yourself. Get familiar with the company. Whichever the company, if they're selling products or digital products, get familiar with the company and trust yourself that you are called for success. And as much as you read and learn and do research, you'll start attracting people who are interested. So guys, have you gotten that? Recruit yourself first. There's no way you can go telling people how the business is working for you, and yet you are not even convince yourself first, this is the business that I have decided. Take control, take the first step, attend everything that you're supposed to attend, then you can start now prospecting. If you've done this, if you're good with that, we can now go to number 2. Tip is use the power of social media. Use the power of social media. So many people, they think they'll get their prospects when just doing nothing. That cannot happen. There's no way you can get people to come into your business if you're not sharing the information. Use the power of social media. Stop sending the information to your families. Stop sending the information to your friends. They are not the right target. Use the power of social media. Which social media am I talking about? You can use Facebook. You can use YouTube. And you can also use Instagram. But let me talk about Facebook and YouTube. Imagine, on Facebook and YouTube, we have 2 billion active users every month. There is no excuse that you cannot get a prospect if you do it every day. You have no excuse. Use the power of social media. If you have recruited yourself, and these points go hand in hand. If you have recruited yourself, you have understand about the business, and you have all the informations, you have the PDF, you have the materials, you have the pictures, you have everything. Now you can use this information to share on Facebook. Share, let your profile speak something. Start sharing on Facebook the information that now you have got from the research that you have done. So you start sharing, start telling your friends. If you're familiar with YouTube, if you're not camera shy, take your phone, do a short video about the product, about the business. You never know. Internet have so many people. I know there's someone who may be interested. Even if people tell you no, they're not interested, go to the next person. So you must understand how to use the power of social media. Only social media that you can get leads that are willing to join your business. Your friends and your family will not join you. Even if they join you, they'll not come to work with you. So be ready to understand. If you don't have a Facebook page, go create one. If you don't have a YouTube channel, if you have your email already, you have a YouTube channel, start uploading a video. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to edit the video. You can just upload it the way it is. The message is the one that is so important. So guys, use the power of social media and you will start seeing prospects. I'm telling let me tell you, even if you post today and you don't get someone, 2-3 weeks down the line, 1 month, some people will see that content, because the content that is shared in the internet is evergreen. Everyone will see the content at their own time. So even if you share, nobody even responds, don't give up, continue sharing. And then the last point, develop a follow-up system. Many people get discouraged when anyone say no to their business, no to their network. If I can speak the truth, I've told so many, even I lost count. I have tried to tell so many people. I go to Facebook groups, try to find other people who I can share my business with, because I am in businesses that are in networking, and I'm trying to share this good opportunity with people, but I get a no. People ask you, now tell me about this business, what does it do? You take so much time trying to explain to them. Later they tell you, I'm not interested. After doing like 2-3 hours of explanation, and you cannot give up. If someone says they are not interested, try to follow up. Why did they say they are not interested? Maybe they don't have the money at that point. Maybe they are involved in so many things. Maybe they are going through a lot. And I always ask someone, why are you not interested? Can you be interested another time? Can I do a follow-up? And I'm telling you, let me tell you, if you do a follow-up of these people 2-3 weeks down the line, most probably they will be interested. So it's good to do a follow-up. Don't share your business with 10 people, then at the end of the day you have not done the follow-up on the previous people that you have been talking to, like in the previous days. You need to do a follow-up, and this is what many people think they have failed, and they are not getting prospects. So comment down below, let me know, do you do follow-up on your prospects? If someone tells you no, do you always ask them what's the problem, or if you can do a follow-up? Because this is the gateway, guys. This is the gateway for you to get prospects. And everyone who has been asking me how to get prospects, do these 3 things. Try to develop a follow-up system. You can start a WhatsApp page, and you can include anyone who has told you no. You can just put their number if they allow. Some don't like that. You can ask their email. If they give you their email, you can be sending material that is, it is educational, it's informative, and at the end of the day they may say yes. So guys, this was it. This is our episode 3. I'm so excited sharing everything that I have been doing the research, and I know it may not be interesting to everyone, but I know there's someone who is watching me right now and they are saying, wow, I need to do the 3 things that Esther Mofri is saying, and I want to see if they work. If they work, come back to this video, tell me what you did, and if it works, let us share. So I'm very excited to be sharing with this. I'm remaining with 2 more episodes because I had 5 episodes of this topic. So tomorrow there will be also another episode 4. I'll do episode 5. So if this is the first time you're seeing these videos, there are other videos about network marketing. I'll try to link them down below. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. Don't watch this video and and fail to subscribe to this channel. Kindly subscribe to this channel. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers, and I cannot wait to share with the whole world about the information that I have in store for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know if these videos are helping you, and if you have not subscribed, again, subscribe to this channel. So guys, until next time, bye bye, love you.